Video creation for websites is getting easier and easier to do. The tools are getting cheaper and better, meaning more people are using them. More and more products are appearing that are based on videos. We all know that there is a huge demand for videos and that the market keeps growing. Video creation for websites is here and will only get better as the market keeps on growing. In the next few months, you will be able to see a huge increase in video creation tools. We can expect to see things like spinning tops, dolly guides, and animation video creation be available to help you create unique videos. If you follow the trends, you'll find that finding great products to create videos for will be a breeze. There is always something new to learn and utilize when looking at videos for websites. In fact, even if you are an expert in video creation for websites, you should still keep an eye on what's coming out. You will probably be able to take some ideas and improve upon them to create videos that will stand out from the rest. At the moment, you can find amazing products all over the web. There are sites that sell video creation tools that you can buy for a low price and use without paying a cent. There are even sites that offer you a massive discount for purchasing a license to the cutting-edge technology. The icing on the cake will be the products that you can buy to help you run demos and use for your videos. This is the magic of the market right now. People are always looking for a solution that they can buy and not pay a cent. Once you find your field of expertise, you will start to see more products that you can use for videos. You can expect to see products based on custom animation templates to help you create your video in an hour or two. There are many video creation tutorials around the internet. All you have to do is look around to find them. There is a website that offers you a range of video creation tutorials, some free, some paid. This is the best way to get your feet wet in the world of video creation for websites. With video creation tutorials around, you will learn from people who have made bad mistakes and have learned from them. This way, you will avoid making the same mistakes and will become a more experienced video creation specialist. If you liked this video, then please subscribe to our newsletter at sakaibusiness.com.